That's a lot of what we heard last night. It's day 9. We're in Bridgeport, which is a pretty cute little town. Let me spin you around and give you a real quick look. Sorry, the general market, the courthouse that was built, 150 years ago, and the Sportsman Bar and Grill and Bridge. Anyway, here we are. Body Buddy omelet with biscuits and gravy and cinnamon French toast. And we're off to a great breakfast. Okay, fellow hikers, something you should know. For many, many years, Bridgeport had a laundromat, and if they didn't, you get laundry done at the hotel. But anymore, they don't. Laundromat's been gone, and the closest laundry is 8 miles away. So, when the closest laundry is that far, here's a backpacker washing machine. Top Rock is getting his provisions all planned out for the next week's travel. We have our breakfast column with oatmeals and trail mix, so mix in to make this breakfast more interesting, since these instant oatmeals are just nothing but that. He has like one hot chocolate left. He's got Idaho potatoes and chili that he's going to be mixing. Oh, and also some lasagna and stuff. He's going to mix with his tortillas and use that for his lunches and fillers. He will repackage those before we head out of here, at least part of it. Oh no, take it back. Here's what he's going to repackage. We have all these stir fries because there was none of the normal stuff. There was no top ramen. There was no dehydrated vegetables. There was no dehydrated anything at the store where we were provisioning. So we got the stir fries. We'll repackage.
Almost 3 pounds.
3 pounds of fillers.
Almost 3 pounds for those, but they're not hydratable.
So they're not dehydrated, so they're heavy. And then snacks: Snickers bars, Cliff bars, and peanut butter bars. Now myself, on the other hand, I organized horizontally instead of vertically. So my snacks are going across the bottoms, mostly trail mixes, dehydrated bananas, which don't have that many calories in them, but also snack bars. Breakfast, same thing, mix in some trail mix with the oatmeal to make it more interesting. But they didn't have any hot chocolate at this store, which I haven't seen in a long time. So I've got some Jell-O that I'm going to just put into boiling water and drink the Jell-O. My lunches, grab some bagels that I'll mix, because I am just so tired of tortillas. I'll eat those during the first few days and then move on towards tortillas the last couple days. And dinners, pretty light dinners. Some rice sides, some stir fries, and then that's enough. Call it good. So what do you think, Top Rock? Are we ready to go?
Oh, we're ready.
Do we have enough food?
Oh, we have enough food.
Kenny has enough food. Top Rock.
It's going to be the heaviest food I've maybe carried too. So
that's true. This will be heavy because there was no backpacker dehydrated type stuff there. There was no packaged meats. There was none of the stuff we backpackers normally buy. Yeah. If you're a fisherman with your truck with a microwave,
great place.
Great place. Perfect. Everything you need. But if you're a backpacker, the general store here in Bridgeport was kind of lacking for us. From this, we repackage it into a plastic bag. To that, it makes it much more packable. All right, this should be our last dinner, and we're going to Rhino's to check out their salads, which we hear pretty good. Okay, we're starting to get back to our greens, since we can't have any of this stuff on the trail. What do you think, Top Rock?
I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, well, we're wrapping up the day here in Bridgeport. Bridgeport has been a great town. We've definitely eaten at the at 4 of the 5 most popular places in town, and they've all been really good. So can't really complain about the food here in Bridgeport. Top Rock, anything to say?
I'm great and stuffed. It's wonderful.
So we're good with that, and we'll be headed out to the trail early tomorrow morning, and so instead of hotel rooms, you'll start seeing some scenery again, I hope. Anything else, Dad?
Nope.
Fair winds and happy trails.